Home Show.
Ruben from Humble has a question about a squeaky fix.
Yeah, he has this balcony right here, Tom, that connects the two sides of his second floor. It's kind of a catwalk between the two of them. And as you can see, he dropped the DeWalt and called you because he's having a little trouble there. Ruben writes, I have squeaks near the top of the stairs and a few feet into the balcony. He says, I can't find the joists that run between them to get the screws into them. I've gone from 9 to 12 to 16 inches from the wall. I've used a long screw to find the joist below the subfloor with no luck. What am I doing wrong?
You're not using a stud finder. People look at stud finders and say, you know, it's for going onto sheetrock. You're looking for the stud. 16-inch centers are common. Usually for floors, 12-inch centers are common, but that doesn't mean that they get exactly 12 inches. It depends what kind of floor covering they used, when the house was built.
Yeah,
yeah, exactly. But what a stud finder does, if you get a good one and you learn how to use it well, and you'll test with it with just tiny little nails, a little finish nail. Oh, that didn't hit it. You don't go with a bigger nail. I had a friend once did. I got a big nail because it wouldn't hold my shelf up. He went all the way through the brick on the outside of the house, and the shelf still didn't hold up.
Came in with a Tommy gun.
You got to find it, and I think a stud finder measures density. And so you want to go along and don't trust exact spacing. Just go, and it'll go through carpet. It'll go through padding. It will go through tile. It will just find a denser spot, and if you get a good one, that's what you want to do.
All right, fair enough. You got a question, Tom can help you find the right tool, the answer, the solution to what you're dealing with, because he's seen it. Been a home builder for 30 years. He knows what he's talking about. So visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill in that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll put it in a video just like this. It will put up on our website, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel.